Hi there, Emmanuel here from empowermentteam.org, and today we're going to look at done-for-you affiliate marketing systems. Yes, so I'm going to take you through one of the actual done-for-you systems that I promote, and I'm going to show you some of the things that any system that you promote, especially if it's a done-for-you one, has that should have it inside of there, before you even think about doing it. If you are kind of new, if you're kind of new to affiliate marketing, then I think you should go with a done-for-you system because it just makes your life very easy so that it gives you only one thing to do. And we're going to go through everything in this video that we're going to go and do in a minute. So in order to do that, we're going to shoot up to the computer so I can show you exactly the system that I'm using and the things that every done-for-you system should have. So get ready and let's shoot over to the computer. So let's go. Okay then, hi there. So here we are on my computer, and this is the system I'm going to talk to you about. It's called 12-minute affiliate, but it doesn't really matter about the system. All I'm trying to show you is that any done-for-you system should have these things included. These are the main things that any done-for-you affiliate marketing system should have. It should have what we call an opt-in page, a place where people can come and put their email address in. And really, I think a good one should have a choice of opt-in pages, because what will happen if there's only one page to choose from and everybody starts promoting this product, say this 12-minute affiliate, then, people will start to see this opt-in page and think, I've seen it before. What's the opt-in page? Say it was this one. People will start to think like, oh, I've seen this before. I know exactly what this is about. So a good system has a choice, and this one has a choice. I think it's got about 8 or 9 different opt-in pages that you can choose from. So you need an opt-in page. I think as well, it should have something what we call a bridge page. Yeah, I'll talk to you a little bit more about bridge page, but basically it's just that when people opt in, after they opt in, rather than send them straight to an offer, you want to send them to kind of a middle page which tells them a little bit more about the offer. Maybe even a bridge video would be even better, something that you do yourself, but at least a bridge page. Then after that, there should be a way that so let's just look at the opt-in page. This is one of the opt-in pages that I use. People will come here. They'll be able to leave their email addresses here. Now their email address then goes into something that we call an autoresponder. So don't get too confused about all these terms. It's just a place. It's a piece of software really that collects people. When someone puts their email address in here, it collects their email address in a system. So the one I use is called Aweber. There's loads of them out there. GetResponse. There's loads of them out there. And what it does, it gets that email address and it helps you to build a list of people that have come to this page and put their email address in. And now to that list of people, you can continue to send them emails. So what your done-for-you system should also have is either the emails written for you that you're going to send to these people, or they should give you some emails. So we call them email swipes. This system does do that for you, gives you email swipes, and it actually uploads them already to your autoresponder, to your Aweber, so that the minute somebody opts in, they start to receive these emails. So they can receive them every day, every other day. You decide for yourself. Initially, you should be sending them something every day because people aren't going to just buy straight away. They're going to need to know a little bit more about you, a little bit more about the system and all that sort of stuff. But once they've opted in and they've gone into the Aweber to build your list, then they start to receive these emails. I mean, look at this email. This is one of the ones they give you. The very first one says, congratulations, open immediately. Hello, just a second ago, you opted into one of my websites looking for more information on how to earn a living from home. These are emails that have already been written for you by people that, are good at writing emails. They're copywriters, so they know what they're doing, sort of things, So a good done-for-you system should have that as well, because the emails is what helps persuade people. We say people need sometimes 7 to 20 touches. So 7 to 20 different emails telling them more about the system, encouraging them to go and have a look at the sales page. So once they've opted in here, now a very, very good done-for-you system, I think, should send people to what we call a bridge page. Something like this, which just says congratulations, and click on here to go to the next step. Or when you get more advanced, or, if you follow any of the things that I do, I tell people, rather than just put a straight bridge page in, because it's a little bit dated, better to put your own bridge video in here, but if not, have a bridge page. A good done-for-you system will have that as well. And then finally, now you want them to send them to the sales letter, which is this bit here. Yeah, this is their sales letter for this 12-minute affiliate. So, you know, look at this. It's just all done for you. You don't have to worry about putting up a page like this. It could cost you thousands, you know, and it's all done. They've looked at the sales technology. They've seen that this page converts, and, you know, and all this sort of, they use the language that people that are interested in sort of stuff will buy from, you know. Look, they have income proof. It's a powerful sales page, you know. Let's just listen to it a little bit. I think it's the owner actually talking. Let's have a quick listen if it will come up. There we go. And then, let's see if I can fast forward it a little bit. Yeah, so this is all done now. So this is done, and they know it converts because they've already tested it. And that really is what a good done for you system does, you know. So you think to yourself then, okay, well, most of it's done for me. I've got the opt-in page, I've got the bridge page, I've got the Aweber, which this Aweber is the bit that you're going to have to get yourself, but then the messages you put in to the Aweber for your list, they should be done for you as well. I've got the sales video. When people pay here, I get a commission, so I get paid as well. Yeah, so all of that's done. So what's the bit that you really need to do? The main bit you need to do is now what we call drive traffic. All the rest should be done for you. Your main job as an affiliate marketer should be to drive traffic to this page here. The page where people leave their email address, where you can build the list, where you can continue to contact that person via email, tell them a little bit more about you, tell them a little bit more about the offer, use these copywritten email swipes, or write whatever you want yourself, you know, just to tell them that, listen, there's a promotion going on or whatever. But your main job as an affiliate marketer is to learn to drive traffic to this page here. You know, all the rest, a good done for you system should have all the rest looked after. All the rest, the follow-ups, the emails, maybe even sometimes they do some training, all that sort of stuff should be looked after. Your job is drive traffic to this page and learn about traffic generation, you know. So, you know, I hope that helps. I hope that helps break down what a good done for you system will do, and especially in affiliate marketing. If whatever you're going to promote ticks these boxes, then it's worth giving it a go, you know. So then your main, after you have the system do all the work, you need then to learn how to get traffic, and there's loads of ways we can get traffic. Some of them, I mean, this system here allows you to buy their leads, which is solo ad leads. But, you know, like if you watch any of my videos, I don't think solo ad leads are the best leads in the world, but there's other leads. You could get Facebook ad leads, you could get YouTube, you could get Instagram. So that's your bit. That's your bit about learning how to drive traffic, you know, and that's what I've going to try and help you with. I put together a 4-part affiliate marketing course that will teach you some of that. It will teach you about traffic, teach you more about what all this affiliate marketing thing is about, teach you about traffic generation, best places to go to get traffic, the best places to get traffic and people that convert. You know, when I mean convert, they go to this sales page and they're more likely to buy, you know, so you really drill down on the type of people that you want coming to this page, you know. So if that's something you're interested in and you want to have a look at my course, I have a free 4-part affiliate marketing course, then I'll leave a link below this video, you know. But either way, I do hope this helped. I hope you got some value from it. If you have any questions, anything at all, then please just leave it in the comments box below. And if you did like it, if you do like my stuff and you want to subscribe to the channel, there'll be a subscribe button below. Just click on that. Remember to tick on the bell icon as well, so that anytime I do put out any more content, you'll be the first to know. And I'm constantly doing that. Anything that I think is going to help you and help you with your marketing. All right, once again, thanks for listening. Till next time, you take care, and I'll speak to you soon. All the best. Take care.